Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for presentation templates business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So presentation templates, maybe it's with professional services, a topic, and the type it might be services. Okay, and here you can choose one of these templates if you want. You can start with one of these here, and also you can build your own template. So let's get started from here. Okay, let's go. Okay, here you can enter your business name if you want. Type any name you want for presentation templates. Here you can build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. Okay, the intro section, the first section here must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers, so you can do whatever you like to make it better than this. Okay, now let's move on. Choose all the sections here and all the attractive sections. Now let's move on. Add page to your site. Okay, choose the color. Choose any color you like, any color match with your business. Okay, for me I'm gonna choose this. Choose any font you want. Okay, and let's move on. You can choose if you want to continue and add the details about your product and your website, and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip from here. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, if you want to edit your website homepage, just click here, and the first thing here, you can change the text here, so click on it, like this. Okay, and you can type whatever you like to attract, to make your site looks better. So for example, you can type welcome to our site for presentations and templates. So this is just a simple example. You can type whatever you like here. Welcome to our site for presentation templates. Okay, and after this you can go to the section in the background. Okay, you can select just a simple art from here, and also you can use image as a background. So select from library, go to the premium image and search on presentation templates. Okay, okay, I want just a simple image for this section here. Okay, for example, okay, I'm gonna choose this, or okay, or this. So I'm gonna choose this, for example. After this, after choose the right image, you can go to the text on this button, and you can edit the text on it. So you can type whatever you like, shop now, or get started, for example. Okay, and if you want to move the section, you can move it down or move it up. You can save it from here or duplicate it. You can add, if you want to add section, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, you can also, if you want to add something in your section, just click add block and you can add image or video or button or text, whatever you like. Okay, now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title, and also you can upload the logo image as a file or from library. You can upload it from mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first you have to delete, so you have to change the wave intensity and the text size. Okay, so first delete this image, add another one. Okay, go to the free image and search on presentation templates. Okay, you can type whatever you like on the search. Just if you wanna looking for something else or something uh, you're looking for. Okay, presentation templates. For example, okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here the text, you can use this space to talk about your product in your shop and how and where are they made and what makes them unique. So first, before you talk about your products, you have to change the paragraph 2 from the paragraph 2 to heading 4 to make it more clear and more attractive. And after this, you can change the topic of the text. Now let's move on to the background. So the background, you don't have to add image on the background, just a simple art. It's much better. Okay, like this. And the same thing here, the same thing, just a simple art. Also here, just a simple art. And here, instead of this image, uh, instead of this, you can add, for example, a map. Okay, so the map, you can add your business name and your address and the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the map design. Okay, and in the background, the same thing as normal, just a simple art. Okay, and now let's move on to the last section on the website. So that's it. After you're done from designing this website homepage, you can go to this certain section and add the product to your inventory and add the way you get paid and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site in Squarespace for presentations and place business, easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.